the technique we're going to work on now is the Superman punch. This is actually kind of a hard one to explain. So, the technique happens when you are faking a kick, whether it be, lots of people only do this from a round kick, but you can do it from a front kick, okay? Front kick, all right? Round kick. So the power is coming from counter force. So as my foot is coming up, this is firing back. Your foot is snapping back like a mule kick. You can actually add more power if you time it right by putting your foot on the ground. But what's good about this is this sets up many moves. So if I don't do that, I'm here. Okay? So, as I'm coming up and faking to get your opponent. This is great for when your opponent starts to anticipate your leg kicks. So you're coming in, okay? And I'm not off balance on this. Okay? I got you. So we're here, okay? Right? So here we are. So here's the motion. My center, everything is snapping back at the same time. It's just a really hard move to explain. You kind of just have to toy with it a little bit. So leg coming up, sorry. Front kick or round kick. Here. Okay, this is firing back. My right leg is mule kicking as my torso. But don't try to get, here's the problem I have with this move is you'll see people do it like this. Huge movements. Small movements. You don't have to make the movement big. Say I'm landing good leg kicks, okay? He's checking them, and he looks like he's getting ready to want to punch me in the face. So what's going to happen is, I'm going to fake that, okay? One important thing on this, what I'm going is to keep the fist in my face until the final second, okay? But like basically full on here, okay? This is an amazing technique when your opponent is biting on leg kicks and you're really damaging with leg kicks. I actually, when I throw leg kicks, I don't mind if they check. Go ahead and check it. It doesn't really hurt because I've trained my shins. So this is an amazing technique to come right over. That is the application of Superman punch.
Whoa!